inside the central part na Freetown, one woman wey dey inside her late 50s wey name Anna Williams die inside a room na Setkaku Street, Kuto Road, Freetown. According to wetin we find out, people dem no be see am for almost 5 days just to make neighbor begin smell bad scent wey dey comot inside a room. The community no be gladi as people dem wey comot mortuary become forsake the dead body of Anna Williams. According to Edward, one man wey tap na the area, Anna Williams sister bin meet am say e no see his sister for 5 days. Bali wey na the woman his sister bin tell Edward say e dey get bad smell from his sister a room and dey suspect like Agatha don die there, wey be make dem all two go inside the house for go check.
When we dey come to the house, now say me no go inside one table. Like I check through the window. Through the window and I can go there make you see the window. Now shake the window. I tie with pieces. I pull the pieces. Now the window open. When the window open, fly there they come up the scent and reverse. When we reach, I began me torchlight. Because I can go in the morning for go do me errands, I can get me torchlight. The room dark inside. Now I say look the torchlight. When we push the remote, we meet the woman lay down. Now I mean reverse. Now I say this police case go come up. Me not the church, the body.
One part the family friend, Flo, be say Anna be don dey get half flower inside the compound.
So Slami then had this house here for almost here wake up at night. But his sister young picking and I never like Slami. For Slami there, then they beat Slami more waiter. Then they beat him, say God can make you left for drink for. Then they might treat the mommy. So the mommy don't know well. So 2 years. He say no well. So Slami don't come now. He don't take the attack. They won't come say Slami don't die today. Don't take 5 days inside me. So we all cool and I go call him. Okay, now the one only here is me. Then can't pull a wall with sorry. So yeah, wale papa government help me.
Where this one also happen, youthman dem na the area vex and begin stone the host. Say they want justice for the woman wey die. As we dey continue for fan out, police don hold the family member wey be dey live inside the same compound. Dem dey now na CID with them for investigate Anna Williams, he die one. Dem say dem go do postmortem for no